Life is full of surprises. Some bring joy, while others bring challenges we never saw coming. Accidents happen and they can turn your world upside down in an instant. Health issues can arise unexpectedly, leaving us with hefty medical bills and financial worries. Natural disasters can wreak havoc on our homes, leaving us stranded and financially drained. But amidst life's uncertainties, there's one thing we can count on, and that is insurance. Whether it's car insurance, life insurance, health insurance, or even travel insurance, having the right coverage can provide peace of mind and financial security. At our company, namely Allstate Insurance Company, we understand the importance of protecting what matters most to you. I never thought that I don't need insurance. I never thought I need insurance until I got into that car accident. Thank goodness I had coverage. With our company, you feel confident knowing that your family future is secure. Our dedicated team of experts is here to help you find the right insurance solutions tailored to your needs. Don't let life uncertainties hold you back. Take control of your future with Allstate Insurance. Contact us today and let's help you protect what matters most, because with Allstate Insurance Company, peace of mind is just a phone call away. It is just a basic concept clear for insurance, need of insurance, and now we're going to talk about auto insurance. That is a part of one insurance, and mostly type of insurance are health insurance, car insurance, and etc. Now in this video, today we talk about auto insurance coverage, and there's a lot of insurance type like car insurance, health insurance, etc. When we talk about car insurance, there's some type of coverages in which insurance services are falling in. Today we'll talk about 9 major types of coverages, and if you want to learn completely, then must be know all of these coverage types, but some types which are also mentioned here will be very helpful in some cases. So all of these coverages are very needed to know and think about insurance policies with Allstate Insurance. After watching this 8 to 10 minute video, you will completely be able to think clearly whether you need to purchase subscription of which one coverage. First of all, here is short view about all these coverages, and after that you can see about your required coverage by clicking time framing in video description or watch completely to learn about all. These 9 major types of coverages are here. Number 1 is collision coverage, and the collision coverage covers expenses related to the damage or destruction of your vehicle from an accident or other collision. And the second one is comprehensive coverage. Comprehensive coverage covers expenses related to the damage to your vehicle caused by vandalism, theft, hail, fallen trees, and more. And the third one is liability coverage. Liability cover expenses related to injury, death, or property to damage of others when you are at fault. Number 4 is medical payments coverage. Covers medical expenses if you or your passengers are hurt. Remember, all these coverages are for auto insurances. And the number 5 coverage type is uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. And this type of coverage covers your expenses if the other driver is at fault and does not have insurance. And the number 6 coverage is roadside coverage. Covers the cost of common roadside services like tire changes and jump starts, and that is called roadside coverages. Number 7 is a personal injury protection that covers expenses related to injuries you sustain in a car accident. Number 8 is personal umbrella policy. Covers liability above and beyond your auto policy's liability underlying limits. And the number 9 and last is rental reimbursement coverage. Covers the cost of renting a car or other transportation expenses while your vehicles in the shop due to a collision or other insured loss. And these 9 types are some basic and the types. And when we are going to talk about the details of these all 9 coverages, then we are going to start with collision coverage. 9 major types of coverages are here, but in this video we are going to talk about only first 4 types of coverages, that is our collision coverage, comprehensive coverage, liability coverage, and medical payments coverage. And after that we will talk about remaining coverages in our next part of video. And you must watch these type remaining coverages to understand about Allstate insurance policies. The collision coverage helps replace your vehicle after an accident regardless of fault. If you owe money on your car loan, at least your vehicle is required, otherwise it's optional. Collision coverage helps you avoid paying out of pocket for costly repairs, or it's a total loss. Pays to replace your car up to its actual cash value. One thing to remember is that you are responsible for paying your deductible, a set dollar amount that goes toward repairing your car. You can choose a high deductible to keep your premium low, or a low deductible to reduce how much you pay out of pocket after an accident. Accident can be expensive. You will want coverage to protect you if one happens. That's what collision coverage will do for you. And the number second is, what is comprehensive coverage? The comprehensive coverage helps repair or replace your car after something other than a collision with another car. Things like theft, fire, hail damage, or hitting an animal. It's optional if you own your car outright, but since these situations can happen to any driver, it's recommended to help with costly repairs. Say for example, your car is stolen or totaled. With comprehensive coverage, after you pay your deductible, your insurer will send you a check for your car's actual cash value. Accidents can be expensive. You want coverage to protect you if one happens. That's what comprehensive coverage will do for you. Second part of comprehensive coverage, we are going to talk about two more parts. One is comprehensive coverage cost about, and second was the cash value. Firstly, we're going to talk about comprehensive coverage cost. What about cost? The cost of comprehensive coverage can vary significantly depending on several factors, including your location, the make and model of your car, your driving history, and the coverage limits you choose. An average comprehensive coverage can range from $100 to $300 per year, but it could be higher or lower based on your individual circumstances. Your cash value. Choosing what's right for you depends on your vehicle's value. If it's less than your deductible, comprehensive coverage may not be the right fit. And here is comprehensive coverage is complete. Liability coverage is about bodily injury coverage. Bodily injury coverage is a type of liability coverage that helps pay for other drivers' expenses resulting from an accident you cause. It is required by law in most states, but you pick the limits. The limits are the maximum amount your insurer will pay after an accident. Your coverage can help you pay for things like the other driver's emergency aid, medical bills, and lost income. Keep in mind that if these expenses exceed the limits you selected, you may have to pay out of pocket for the remaining cost. That's what bodily injury coverage will do for you. Medical payments coverage help with medical expenses from an auto accident, no matter who is at fault. It covers you, your family, and any passengers by helping pay for things like doctor bills, hospital stays, and surgery up to the limits you choose. It also provides coverage if you or your family get injured in another car or as a pedestrian. And now we are talking about what does medical payments insurance cover. From seeing a doctor to calling an ambulance, medical payments insurance can help cover, and the points are doctor visits, number 2 hospital visits and stays, number 3 surgery, number 4 x-rays, number 4 EMT and ambulance fees, number 5, 6 professional nursing services and care, and the prosthesis. And that is point of medical coverage. And okay guys, it's enough for today. We will meet in next video for next remaining parts of coverages. Stay tuned with us and thank you. Goodbye.